Hello everyone. Oh, there's a box on the bench. That means Cotti's on the box. If you ever want to find Cotti, put a box on the bench. She will be on it. She will make it hers. So, okay. Or bring out a razor knife. If she hears the razor knife, she comes running. You gonna let me open this? You want cookies, huh? She is such a good girlie. Coaxed her off. Okay. Well, this is a package from China. Let's open it up. Yeah, the seller on this one, I paid for EMS shipping, and he kept saying it's going by boat, it's going by boat. And I said, I don't want it to go by boat. I didn't pay for boat shipping. I paid for EMS shipping, ship it EMS. And he didn't ship it EMS. So it went by boat to California, then California to here, UPS ground. He uploaded fake tracking information to the Aliexpress order. So if it is what I ordered, I'll be lucky. Let me open this side. The box says it's probably what's in there, but we will find out here in a minute. Interesting packing job. But yeah, you see the UPS label, UPS ground. So yeah, it's a big violation of AliExpress rules. Shipping things a different way than what was paid. So let's see, that is going to probably be the bottom of the box. Yeah, I won't even bother doing that. Let's open it from here. And I just hope it's what I ordered. Because when you're dealing with shady sellers like that, you gotta wonder sometimes. So what do we have in this box? So this product is for supplementary 2 wires of the welding pin are better close together for welding automatic mode. Okay, so it looks like we got some tools and tips. We'll open that up in just a second here. Is that like a power adapter? I don't know. We'll find out here in a minute. Let's just get this unboxed. See if the main unit is what was ordered. That should be what we have. Spot welder for 18650 batteries. And you got a quality certificate. We'll look at that in a minute. Oh, pull this out. There you go, more foam. And I gotta, let's see, anything else in there? It's empty. Okay. Yeah, there's been times I needed to build a battery pack, and I would like to make it nice and compact. So I decided I'm gonna get me a spot welder. All I need is another welder, another machine. But this one seemed to get really good reviews on, and Aliexpress had a coupon, so I bought it with a coupon. And the price was really, really good. So, yeah, I gotta start doing some repairs and stuff. And get this YouTube channel doing what I want it to do. Or doing what I want to do on the channel. But I just have no motivation for it. Oh, man. Oh, this is brand new. Tape on it. Ugh. And tape on the label. Look at that. So much for being pretty and nice. I wonder if this is new or used. It's probably new. Yeah, not the best repacking in the world. So what a lot of these China sellers do is they will repackage the stuff into smaller, from the factory box to smaller boxes. But that looked like the box here had, you know, SUNKKO. It's got some information on it, but can't read it. So what do we have? We have a testing sheet. Is that like a little coupon they use to test? Yeah, little test coupon they used. A nickel strip. It's kind of cool. It's a little heavier than I thought it was going to be. You know, it's got tape residue. Yeah. Welding pressure adjust, up, down. Piece of PVC pipe for protection. Good idea. We got the welding coupon there. I think Cotti got bored. But, yeah. We'll have to give this a good test. So, and I'll do that in another video. But what do we have? Do we have a Chinglish manual? Some of these manuals are fun to read. Not. Skimming through it. It looks like it's well written. We will see if it's all here. There is some feedback from other buyers that they advertise it with one thing and it don't come with everything. So we'll see if it has everything. 2023 spot welder. Let's go through this. So I'm going to assume this is the foot pedal. Probably super, super cheap. Yeah, there's been a few battery packs I've been wanting to make. So, yeah, that'd be the foot pedal. It's not. Yeah, it's super cheap. But it'll work. Maybe. Let's see. I needed coffee. That's what I forgot. So it's supposed to come with nickel strips and stuff, but let's see, what is this? Like some sort of grinder? Yes, it's a little mini electric grinding machine. So is that like a little, kind of like a tungsten grinder for a TIG welder, but Chinese for doing the spot welding tips. USB. Cool. Yeah, the seller should work on his communications a bit, but let's see, what do we have? Hell, this is the handheld. Yeah, this was less than half the cost of Amazon and eBay with shipping. So I wasn't going to pay what they're charging on Amazon. Wow, that's actually feels like it's pretty good quality. Nice heavy cable. Yeah. Wow. It says SUNKKO. So I bet these welds will hold more than the bridge that just fell down. But okay, that's a little spacer. Yeah, I 3D print stuff like this, so that's kind of useless. And here's the nickel strips. So yeah, I'll make another video of this working. Might power it up here, I don't know. I'll definitely take it apart. Yeah, look like pretty good quality nickel strips. Nickel plated iron. 50 pieces there. 50 pieces there. Am I going to count them? Nope. Well, that's it. I shall power this thing up. Let's power this up. I'm surprised Cotti's not over here. She's just over there watching me from the distance. So let's power this thing up. Always power it up on video. Oh, we gotta look at that. I just noticed that. Warranty void if seal is broken. Ha. Huh. Well, that's not enforceable. But a warranty from the manufacturer in China. Nah. Okay, so we are plugged in. Powered on. It's dead. Oop, there it is. Hit the power button. I'll have to read the manual on it, but it's just a spot welder. It shouldn't be too difficult to use. Must be for the timer. Oh, it's like a Hawko. It's like a Hawko soldering iron interface where you gotta push all the buttons, but I will definitely give this a try. So that's everything. Drop this down here. Snag a picture for the thumbnail. And I will sometimes I just don't know what to talk about, you know. It's weird talking to myself. I used to talk to myself when I was a kid and they beat it out of me. So now I have to relearn how to do it. But yeah, I think this will work. I'll play with it and I'll be back. Cotti wants to visit. Yes, that is. It's the Cotti. She wants a cookie. That's what she wants. Yes, she wants the cookie. You gotta get it right here. That's just 20 minutes. I think there's many people spot welding battery packs, but I will definitely, like I said, I'll be back doing a couple videos on spot welding. So we'll catch y'all later.